Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel! Our yummy recipe for today is beef bopis. Beef bopis is another variation of the popular Filipino appetizer Bofes, which is pork lungs. Bopis came from Peruvian word Bofe, which means cow's lung. Let's start by parboiling the beef innards. Put salt and ginger in boiling water, then add the beef innard. Then drain the water and clean the meat thoroughly to remove all the impurities. Slice the beef heart and lungs in a small cubes and set it aside. Pan-fry all the vegetables, the carrots, the Daikon or radish, and green bell peppers. Marinate the beef liver with ground black pepper, vinegar, soy sauce, shallots, and the bay leaves. After 5 minutes, pan-fry the marinated beef liver in annatto oil until half cooked. Let's parboil once again the sliced beef innards to remove the punky flavor. In a boiling water, add the ginger, the salt, the vinegar, and the lemongrass. Cook the beef innards until become tender for about 45 minutes to an hour. In annatto oil, saute the garlic until fragrant, followed by the shallots. Cook until translucent, then add the beef tenderloin. Fry the beef tenderloin on high heat until cooked. Add the parboiled beef innards. Set the heat settings to medium heat, then add the tomatoes. When the tomatoes already cooked, then add the vinegar and the fish sauce. After adding the vinegar and the fish sauce, please do not touch or stir the mixture, or else it will be too sour and fishy flavors. When the strong sour and fishy odor evaporates, then add the soy sauce and the ground black pepper and continue stirring. After a good stir fry, then add water and chicken cubes. Then add the pan-fried vegetables and the beef livers. I'm adding kick of spice by adding chili flakes. You can add red chilies or siling labuyo. To add umami flavors, I'm adding liquid seasoning. You can use any brand of your choice. And brown sugar to balance the flavors. Then give a good mix and taste. Lastly, season with salt and pepper according to your taste. Here's this flavorful beef bopis. You can serve it on a sizzling plate. Yummy! If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching!